Welcome to this tutorial on Builder.io versus Bubble, where we will explore which platform is best in 2025 for building digital products. Both Builder.io and Bubble are popular no-code platforms that allow users to create custom applications without extensive coding knowledge. First, let's start with Builder.io. Builder.io is a headless CMS that allows users to create custom digital experiences using a drag and drop editor. It provides a range of features such as content modeling, workflows, and integrations with popular services like Salesforce and Shopify. Builder.io is ideal for large-scale enterprises that require a high degree of customization and flexibility. On the other hand, Bubble is a web development platform that allows users to create custom web applications using a visual interface. It provides a range of features such as a drag-and-drop editor, database management, and integrations with popular services like Google Maps and Stripe. Bubble is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses and startups that require a quick and easy way to build custom web applications. When it comes to choosing between Builder.io and Bubble, there are several factors to consider. One key factor is the level of customization required. If you need a high degree of customization, Builder.io may be the better choice. However, if you need a quick and easy way to build a custom web application, Bubble may be the better choice. Another key factor to consider is the level of technical expertise required. Both Builder.io and Bubble are no-code platforms, but Builder.io requires a higher degree of technical expertise to use effectively. Bubble, on the other hand, is more user-friendly and requires less technical expertise. In terms of pricing, both Builder.io and Bubble offer a range of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Builder.io offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans that start at around $49 per month. Bubble also offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans that start at around $25 per month. Ultimately, the choice between Builder.io and Bubble will depend on your specific needs and requirements. If you need a high degree of customization and flexibility, Builder.io may be the better choice. However, if you need a quick and easy way to build a custom web application, Bubble may be the better choice. By considering the key factors outlined in this tutorial, you can make an informed decision and choose the platform that is best for you.